Hi guys. So people who know me know that I don't eat food so much. I'm a picky eater. Well, you know, I love pastries. I love pastries so much. As long as it doesn't have chocolate in it anyway, like I don't react well with cocoa products or anything that has coffee in it or mayonnaise. Okay, obviously I'm a picky eater. We get it. But I still do better with pastries, right? However, I'm also very conscious about what I consume. I don't want to just be consuming flour every day because that is what I like to eat. But one thing I do is I try to throw in stuff to make my pastries or my baked goods more nutritious and good for me. You know, I throw in fiber, I throw in protein, I throw in micronutrients, whether it's in form of fruits and vegetables I have in the fridge that are getting to that best before date. I throw them in, you know, and I experiment a lot. I like to follow the Canadian food guide plate, you know, lots of fruits and vegetables, good protein, all grains. So if my pastry can have all of this together, then I'm good to go, right? So today we're making a fiber-rich, high-protein banana bread. Yep, and it's going to be delicious. And it's not going to have any added sugar. Let's get on with it. I have my flour, I have my oat flour, I have my banana bread. I'm going to mash this. I have eggs, I have my chia gel, so I soaked the chia seeds in water. And I have here Greek yogurt. Yeah, I'm adding Greek yogurt. This is another source of protein. This is zero fat, lactose free because I'm lactose intolerant, not because there's anything wrong with lactose, but just, yeah. And all of my supporting ingredients. I have lemon zest just to, you know, add a little bit of flavor to it. Almond nuts chopped, and all other supporting ingredients, like I said earlier. So, strain in the banana, mashed banana. Strain in the eggs, lemon zest. And Greek yogurt. So basically I'm training all the wet ingredients. So I just have to go preheat my oven. Need to just mix up my dry ingredients. And I'm going to add them to this mixture. Yeah, I have to go get this so that I can easily just pour it in while I'm mixing. So I continue mixing at low speed. I'm going to add this gently to my mixer. Let's let that incorporate a bit. Yeah, I'm going to add this to my mixer. Yeah, I'm not going to mix it, just want to mix till I'm sure. Yeah, it's good. This is what our mixture looks like. So we're just going to pop this into the oven. Out of this, and let's cut this and see. Let's cut the slice. Can you see? Can you see the nuts? Can you see? So I'm going to try this. This is good. Sorry. Bye. Thanks for watching.